Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be looking at one of the effective trailing stop loss indicators for MetaTrader 4. And the indicator we're going to be looking at is the ATR Trailing Stop Indicator. So if you're tired of getting stopped out too early or struggling to manage your risk effectively, then this tool might be what you need. Okay. The ATR Trailing Stop Indicator dynamically adjusts your stop loss levels based on market volatility, helping you stay in winning trades longer while protecting your capital. Now let me add the ATR Trailing Stop Indicator to the chart. It's a custom indicator, so you might want to download it from a third-party site and add it to your indicators library before you'll be able to use it on your chart. We've talked about how to install custom indicators in a previous video, so you might want to check that out. Okay, let's just quickly break down what the ATR stop loss indicator is. Now, this indicator is built around the average true range, as the name implies, is the ATR Trailing Stop Indicator, right? So it is built around the ATR indicator, which measures market volatility. So instead of using a fixed stop loss, this indicator adjusts your stop loss, your stop levels rather, based on how volatile the market is. So if volatility is low, your stop loss remains closer to the price. But if volatility increases, the stop loss moves farther away to avoid getting hit by random price fluctuations. So by using this dynamic stop loss strategy, traders can avoid premature exits while still maintaining risk control. Okay. So now the ATR trailing stop indicator is actually color coded for easy visualization. It is color coded for easy visualization. Or we can see that it makes use of a blue color and a red color. So for buy trades, you will notice this blue line beneath the candlesticks. All right, you notice this blue line beneath the candlesticks. Once you have price consistently being above the blue line, you can look for buy opportunities, and your stop loss should be maintained under the blue lines. All right, then for a sell, the red lines above the candlestick indicate prevailing bearish momentum, right? So should be looking for sell opportunities, and your stop loss should be above the red line, precisely above the nearest swing high, while for the buy is going to be below the previous swing low. Okay, then your take profits can actually be at resistance zones for your buy trade, or perhaps when the red lines appear, while for your sell trade, your take profit can be at support zones, or perhaps when the blue line appears. Okay. So the ATR trailing stop indicator has a couple of benefits. All right. The indicator can give you insights into, dynamic positions for adjusting your stop loss. All right. Dynamic positions for trailing your stop losses, and it helps you with better trend identification, because of course you can see that the indicator clearly shows you the prevailing trend in the market. So it helps traders confirm whether a trend is strong or weakening. Okay. And it works with any trading strategy, whether you are a scalper, a day trader, or a swing trader. The ATR trailing stop indicator provides good levels for adjusting your stop losses. All right. And it is compatible with EAs. Okay. Expert advisors, which is the long form of EA, right? Expert advisors, some of them, or even many, use ATR based stops for automatic trade management. So, the ATR trailing stop indicator can give dynamic levels, right, for certain stop losses, and even expert advisors can as well take advantage of that. Okay. So let's say you are in a buy trade. Maybe you enter the buy trade somewhere around here, maybe after this buy move has been identified and you had a bullish candlestick pattern. Then the market, starts trending upward. Instead of setting, you know, a fixed stop loss and not getting back to it, you can take advantage of the dynamic, uh, potential stop loss levels being created by the ATR trailing stop indicator. Okay, as price moves in your favor, as price moves in your favor, you can, you know, let go of fixed stop loss levels. All right, you might want to take advantage of trailing stop dynamics. Okay, for a smarter and more dynamic approach to protecting your trades. Okay. However, please note that there is no indicator that guarantees profit. There is no indicator that is 100% accurate. So always pay attention to your price action analysis, pay attention to market structure, combine this indicator with other indicators for better, trades. All right. Do not rely on one indicator alone. Okay. So if you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more Forex trading tips and strategies. Let me know in the comments if you use the ATR trailing stop in your trading. See you in the next video and happy trading.